So what I'm going to share is our latest version of the package we've created internally for our purpose. And let me share the screen. It's this one. Yeah, it's based on the conversational NI forum. Very few years ago, it's 5 years already, discuss why there is in the resources dialog preference dialog folder template for creating own pages, and it was not working. And Darren was so nice that he modified the preference dialog VI to be able to use this one, and we packed it into a nice VI package. So we allowed this way to add some let's say secret keys to LabVIEW.ini file, which are mentioned here on LabVIEW wiki page. Some of them are still uncategorized because no one knows what they already do. But what we did is that we have here in the options dialog the new page, which should be here. It took more time than usually. Our own page where we have specified the options we like. These are those I usually have on, which allows us to say manipulate private stuff. And the last one I have usually off, which are for editing X notes. Sorry. What is interesting that this dialog is also used for different things. It is for properties of project items. We can distinguish which one it is. So we do it the way that we have special set for tools option, special set for project itself, and the third together for all targets. We store it in these folders. So it is implemented the way that there is always the template to be used in the given dialog, and you just copy it, rename it, create your content, and it will appear live. So this one is the page I've already shown. What I wanted to show you something for the others. So what I implemented as a demo is properties for targets is physical location, which is sometimes very useful for large applications, especially in our laboratories. So you can fill these fields, store it as part of the LabVIEW project file. It's a property of that node, which is persistent technically. To prepare something special for the whole project, it wasn't easy, let's say, to pick. But what I really often need is when I start new actor framework project, I need to add the symbol for enabling user events, and I never remember right the spelling. So I wanted to add the page where I turn it on. Unfortunately, because the symbols are managed by this page, it's not easy to overload its behavior, and I didn't want to, in fact. So the solution I picked is that if the symbol is not there, this button is enabled, and I press it, I pre-fill these fields so I can easily edit. When I store these preferences and open it again, you can see on this page that it is enabled, but read only, and it's not possible to edit again because it's already there. So now if I want to change it, I have to do it here. So a bit a stupid example, but still an example. And how it behaves, there's an API called list user pages. Okay, which looks this way. We have the control which decides which kind of dialog it is. As I said, all targets I get together as a target because it's enough to me. And here it is. Just get the folder, list all the right named files, and return it to the framework, which continues reading these pages. And that's it. Have anyone any questions? Okay then. Thank you for your time and enjoy the summit.